In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to replace the bulb of your UV-C lighting system. 1. Ensure the cooling unit is not plugged into the wall. Do not remove the UV-C light ballast from the cooling unit while the unit is still plugged in. Never look directly into the UV-C light. Permanent damage to your vision may result. 2. Remove the 4 screws securing the UV-C light ballast to the unit. 3. Place the UV-C light ballast on a table or flat surface with the white socket facing up. 4. To avoid damage to the new UV-C bulb, do not touch the glass bulb with bare hands. Use a gloved hand, paper towel, or lint-free cloth to remove the new bulb from its packaging. 5. Remove the old bulb from the ballast. 6. Place the base of the new bulb into the socket until you hear it click. 7. Before attaching the UV-C assembly into your cooling system, orient the ballast so the bulb is towards the bottom of the ballast. 8. Align the UV-C light assembly with the opening on the cooling unit and secure it using the screws removed in Step 2. Do not use screws other than those provided with the system. Longer screws may damage internal components. 9. Plug the power cord of the UV-C ballast into the UV power receptacle on the cooling unit. 10. Plug the cooling unit's power cable back in and power on the unit. That's it. Now you can keep enjoying the power of your UV-C light technology. To learn more about our UV-C light technology, please follow the links below in the video description.